Hi guys, I've got another video. This is some of the works that I produced before with a few additions. I've changed the format on the recording of this video. I tried to create something that was a little bit more streamlined and something that was more appealing to the eye. It's basically a slideshow. But I think it comes off a lot better than some of the previous virtual gallery presentations that I've done on this channel. And I want to try to improve on my creations, my productions as we go in this journey. And I hope that you will like the changes that I made on this. Not all of my videos will be slide presentations of previous works. I'm just trying to get what I have captured over the years, or produced over the years, onto media, and so I can share it with interested people that are like thinking and enjoy art. These paintings are abstract. Some are borderline surreal abstract combination. You'll see some various styles in this presentation. There will be some consistencies in a group of paintings that are definitely identifiable as my style as far as I'm concerned. These are 16 by 20 acrylic on canvas, and there are a few 18 by 24s added in. Yes, and these paintings are paintings that I've done over the last 10 to 12 years. There's about 30 or more paintings in this presentation, so I hope you don't get bored. Yeah, this is a way for me to get my works out there in the public eye. This is a great media source, so I've tried to capture some of the things that I've done, and I hope that everyone, or I'm sure not everyone will enjoy it, but I hope that some of you will enjoy viewing this video and seeing what I've done over the last 10 years. So if you enjoy what you see, please leave a like, and if you want to see future videos, subscribe so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And I would appreciate it if you would share, and please leave a comment. I read all the comments. I know I don't have a large channel right now, so it's not that difficult to read all the comments, but I would appreciate a comment, and don't hold back. I've got pretty thick skin. Let's get the presentation started. Thank you once again.